Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete games on your PS5 using your phone. So I'm using the PlayStation app, and this makes it very easy to delete any of these games. I can just go to the Google Play Store and get this PlayStation app, open this up, sign in with your email address and password. But if we go on over to the game library right here, we can press this little button right here, and it will tell me the storage for my PlayStation 5 because I have it connected. And then I can start deleting games through here. So this New World Eternum, I think they canceled that game. They're going to be shutting it down. And this, probably with Splitgate 2 here coming up at some point in time. So I can select both those games, and then I can delete them off my PS5 Pro. So I'm going to delete these games right here. And now, next time I start my PS5, they should be deleted. Now, if you have your PS5 in rest mode, it'll delete it right away. So, as you can see, it's deleted, and I think that's the issue right now. I don't have my PS5 turned on. It is actually completely turned off. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.